Before you add or subtract mixed numbers, it's probably a good idea to start by turning them to improper fractions, because any other method involves special cases, special situations, but this method always works. So the improper fraction of 8 1/2 is 17 over 2. And the reason is because if to express the same quantity, we'll multiply the divisor times the whole part. So 8 times 2 makes 16, and then we add that to the top to make it 17. And you can check this too for yourself. If you take out a calculator and do 17 divided by 2, it makes 8.5, which is 8 1/2. So these two things are the same. So I guess an explanation for why we do 2 times 8 and then add that to the top. It's like you're saying you have 8 whole groups, and then you have a half of another group. So you got 8 pizzas and then 1/2 of another pizza. So if we wanted to express that in terms of a fraction, well, if we're talking about halves of a pizza, one pizza equals 2 halves of a pizza, right? So 8 times 2 tells you how many halves of pizza you have out of those whole amounts of pizza, plus one extra half of pizza. So you got 17 over 17 halves of a pizza. Okay, and so to convert this to an improper fraction, 5 times 6 makes 30. 30 plus 4 makes 34. And then we need common denominators, because you can't say, like, if you had a piece of pizza that was cut into fourths and you ate a piece, and then if you had another piece of pizza that was cut into eighths and then you ate a piece, you couldn't say you ate 2 pieces, right? You can't just add those together because they're totally different fractions of a pizza. Same thing here. These are totally different fractions. The slices of pizza are different. We got to multiply the top of this one by the opposite fraction's denominator and the bottom by 5. Do the same over here. Multiply the top by 2 and the bottom by 2. So 17 times 5 gives us 85 over 10. And then we got 34 times 2 is 68 over 10. Now they can subtract. 85 subtracted by 68 makes 17 over 10. And then if we want that as a mixed number to finish it out, what you can do is you can say that this 10 fits into 17 one whole time without going over, and we'll have a remainder of 7 after that division. That's the mixed number version. Or if you want to see that with a calculator, divide the top by the bottom. 17 divided by 10 fits in one whole time. And then you'll take out the whole number to give you just the decimal. Multiply this decimal times the divisor, times the number in the bottom. And that's your remainder. That's what goes up top here.